What's up, guys? This is Maple Motors walk around. Let's get started. What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a lot walk. We just updated the website. Seems like the last 2 weeks we updated our website on Saturday, so every time we update the website, I'm going to do a walk around. As you can see, we've been selling more cars than we've been buying. Definitely been buying a lot of cars. You'll be able to see in this video some new stuff that came in on the lot. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. We got detailed pictures of every car on the lot. We got financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We're gonna start up here in the front. Anything that you see, I have a test drive video and a walk around of. Some of the new stuff, it hasn't quite happened yet. It just came in, I have to do the video. It takes a little bit of time, but I will have it up first of the week. As you can see, we sold the Cutlass. This is a 68 Olds Cutlass. We also sold the 69 Chevelle convertible. Coming on down the row here, a 68 Chevelle. It's available, $20,900. 327. It's got 2 carbs sitting on top of it. I do have a test drive of this one. This one just came in. I haven't verified the motor yet, but when I do my videos, I verify all the motors. This is a 1971 Chevelle with a big block in it, 21.9. Video's coming soon on this, guys. Right next to that, another 71. Check this color out. I love it. That's so different. Nice set of American racing wheels. That's a 71 Chevelle with a big block in it, 24.9. Right next to that, we got a 68 Chevelle. This is a real SS 4-speed car, matching number motor. It does need some paint work. It's got a few flaws on the outside. I've already done videos on it. You can check it out. Got a 71 Chevelle sitting up here with a big block in it, 454, 26.9. We do have videos on it as well. So we turn around here, we got a newer model Corvette. It's a 98 model, low miles. It's already sold, heading to New York. Little Mustang convertible here. My wife absolutely loves. She's wanting to go on dates in this car. It's a 4-speed for $27,900. That's a 66 model there. 2-tone interior. I just posted the video today, so definitely check that out. Right next to that, a 65 Mustang. Dressed up as a GT 350, 31.9. It's just a clone car. They did everything they could, though, to make it look like a Shelby. Right beside that, we've already sold this 67 Camaro. You can see right beside that, I'm getting ready to do a test drive on this one. It's a 4-speed Camaro, 24.9. This is a 1970 model. Should be a good little test drive. Got a Z28 Camaro right beside that, a 4-speed for $26,900. That's a 1972 model. Stocking up on the Mustangs right now. We got a 1970 model Mustang, 21.9. Videos are made on all these cars in this row other than the Camaro, so you can check them all out, even previous inventory. Right next to that, convertible Mustang, 13.9. Believe this is a 1973. Sorry, it's hard to remember all of them, but that is a 73. Right next to that, 9950, a 71 Mustang convertible. Set of Cobra wheels sitting on it. 4-speed Ford Falcon, 12.9. Also a convertible, perfect for spring. 1963. I've already sold this HHR SS Turbo. You've seen this truck before, local customers. Do you remember the white Suburban that I put on here? They seen it, they loved it, they traded. So they bought this truck from us, drove it for a few weeks, and then wanted the Suburban. It's back available. It's a 1996 Chevy single cab truck for $79.50. It's not a real 350 SS. They just put some badges on it. I already have test drive videos up of it from last time. I will take the sold off here soon. We got a custom 1970 flatbed pickup sitting here for $17.9. This thing is tricked out. Looks like I laid out one of the trunk mats that was getting wet. There's a keg for a gas tank on this one. It's a very cool truck here. Upgraded the interior. I do have videos on this, so check it out. Right beside that, 1955 model Cameo pickup truck, $34.9. They didn't make very many Cameos. Wood beds, fiberglass. Very unique truck. Just got us a little work truck in, $49.50, $1,500. I don't remember the year exactly, around a 2000 model. Haven't done my videos on it yet, but definitely check that out. And a 1984 GMC 4x4, $79.50, 354 speed. That was a pretty good test drive video, so definitely check that out. In the back there, everything else is pretty much sold, other than we got a Silverado will be going on. I don't even think they put that on the website yet. And we got a van sitting back there. We're gonna head on back up to the front to all these classics. I already sold the Corvette. We put it online. You can watch the video yet. I love the way these things look. This was a 61 model. Super cool. The four-door Nova already sold, $327. We sold it for $79.50. Actually stayed here in Tennessee. Some new rides coming in. There's new stuff coming in as we speak that's not on the website. Don't get discouraged. It will be available next Monday by 12 o'clock. We should have about 6 to 10 new cars next Monday.
Yeah, you'll be good. I got cheese and binders on there.
Got an Impala right here, 4-speed, 26.9. I believe that is a 1964 model. Right next to that, we got a 62, but we already sold it. Got another one sitting here, it's already sold, convertible. Just waiting to push these cars out of here. 1966 model. We are getting low on inventory right now. That's nothing to worry about. We're still buying just as many cars as before, they're just selling faster. We've already sold this Mustang that's sitting back here. It's a 1965. We already sold this Camaro sitting right here. I think that was a 79 model. Z28. I can't remember. I think this car here is on hold, but it's not labeled as sold. So 1965 Mustang. We got the old boat sitting here, $69.50. That's a Chrysler Newport. 1973 model. Next to that, we got a 1965 Barracuda, $12.9. You can see pictures and videos of these cars. Definitely check that out. All the under hood shots, you can see that, and information in the description on my website. So definitely go to maplemotors.com and check that out. Right next to the Barracuda Cadillac Coupe de Ville, $12.9. 1972 model. Look at them wheels. That sets it off right there. The Delamont, I actually already sold. I couldn't even get the video down, guys. I tried to. Had a guy come in, absolutely fell in love with it. We sold it for $16,900. That's a 1967 model. I'm gonna do a breeze by. We're gonna go over past all the cars that we've already went by and I told you about. Just kind of show you what we got in here. I know today alone we bought 4 cars. And we're gonna try to keep that up. We're gonna try to buy at least 2 to 4 cars a day to restock this lot. Only good thing that's coming out of it, we're gonna repave after 40 years. We've always had too many cars sitting on the lot to put them anywhere other than leaving them out here. So it's kind of a perfect opportunity to get it paved. We're getting ready to have an indoor showroom, which will be connected right next to the lot. So definitely be checking that out. I'll be running you through there. Have a little bit higher dollar cars. You know what I'm talking about? The ones where all the horn works, all the horns working. We'll always run polls up in the corner of all the videos and the test drives and walk-arounds. Try to make it a little bit more exciting. Have a little fun with it. We just kind of breezed through the lot just now. Going back over everything that I just told you about. And we'll walk next door. Hey, I'll show you some of the personal rides. One day the personal rides possibly will be for sale, but not right now. You'll see when they come up. Like I said, we update the website every Monday. Just so happens last 2 weeks, we updated on Saturday. Guys, we just had another truck pull up. 4 cars just arrived to Maple Motors. I can't show you what they are, but I promise we're restocking. All right, guys, we're gonna go next door. I'm gonna show you some of the personal rides. We got 3 of them, 4 of them over there at the moment. Sneak peeks. Corvette's going out. Just got shipped out today. We had that one on the lot. These are the personal rides. 68 Camaro Z28. Check out that Corvette. That's my father's personal. I didn't get to drive mine in today because I wanted to put a video of it up. Bullet Mustang. He's on that since very low miles. He will never sell that, I don't believe. That's Pops' car. Drives it every day. I brought this in just so we could I could put it online, and guess what? It worked. It's on hold. Should be sold as of Monday. Right next to that, 69 Camaro. If I ever sell my Chevelle, I want something like this. Look at that interior. Like I said, these are personals here, so we drive these, have fun with them. You know, if we own this lot up here, we have to have some personals. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. All of our inventory is located on that site. We update it every week. Anytime one of them gets sold, we update that every day. We also have an Instagram, a Facebook, and a Snapchat. All you got to do is type in Maple Motors, and it'll easily pull us up. I posted that every day as well. Sometimes you get sneak peeks just like you did in this video, showing all the new stuff. Hit that subscribe button, share this video, and thank y'all very much for watching.